Right here at the Wyze Lab, we created our now famous Wyze Cam with over 60,000 five-star reviews on Amazon. But now, people want an outdoor camera. Behold, Wyze Cam Outdoor. Wire-free 1080p live streaming work of wonder. But wait! What about holding up against the elements? Heat, wind, snow, water. How's this for holding up against the elements? Ready, Ted?
Not quite.
Go
I'm still trying
right.
to attach it to the wall.
It's not as interesting as I thought it would be.
Hello?
What about snow and ice? This little miracle of tech wonder can withstand frozen tundra temperatures. We've been blasting this one all morning with G-force hurricane wind and raw Death Valley daylight. Can we get Ted some aloe vera? Outstanding work, Ted. But the real problem with wind is the sand and debris. Oh, for heaven's sakes, Ted, close your mouth. Wyze Cam Outdoor is completely wireless, plus a battery life that lasts up to 6 months. You could put these babies all over the outside of your house. Look at this tree. I could never afford a wire long enough to put a camera up there. Isn't that right, Ted? Oh, come on, Ted. If you're not even going to try to be a bird. Birds don't dangle, Ted. They tweet. Well, I think we've all learned our lesson about Ted's acting abilities. For the next test, we have hired Caleb, a Juilliard-trained actor to play a dastardly porch pirate. Caleb, my good man, let's get jiggy with it. You see, Ted, that's real acting. Presto! Wyze Cam Outdoor has alerted me to the pilferer's presence. I shall instruct him to desist. Oh there, you miscreant! That package is private property. Off with you!
Hey, this mother Caleb stole my job.
Travel mode allows the camera to connect directly to your phone with its own Wi-Fi signal. No home router is required, so you can take it anywhere. Ted, you did lock up the food out there, didn't you?
Hold on, stop. Close.
Oh, look at those agile little claws. Oh, that's sharp. Oh, I mean the picture, but also the claws. Be careful out there, Ted. Without those marshmallows, those graham crackers are totally useless. So, be sure to click the link in the description. Oh, it's a pressure cooker, Ted. You understand the toll that it takes? What am I talking about? Of course you don't understand. Oh, I envy you, Ted. I envy your simple mind. I do so enjoy my little TED Talk.